Hello friends! Today we'll be creating the super easy pattern for any summer or winter top. The measurements we will need are the neck circumference and the chest circumference. For the neck circumference, there are ways, like different ways to measure it. I usually go for the base of my neck and I try not to be super tight so that not to suffocate myself, but I'm still pretty tight. So this pattern is for a nice tight neck measurement. And for the chest measurement, of course, wear your bra, the one you're planning on wearing, with this top. And it has to run more or less horizontal through the most prominent areas of the chest. Write down your measurements and let's draft our pattern. This is what our final draft will look like. So if you don't want to stay and watch me do it, just make a screenshot or stay and watch the step-by-step drafting process. One thing I need to mention is the total length of my garment, of my finished top, is 20 inches, measured from the back. I'm almost 5'11", so this length is very flattering, but you may choose to make yours shorter or longer if you want to. We will start with this rectangle right here, where the distance A to B is your desired length plus 1.5 inches. Mine is 20 inches, so that makes it 21.5 inches. And the distance B to E is your chest circumference divided by 4 plus 1.5 inches. Let's add points C and D right away. A to C is 1.5 inches, C to D is 2 inches. Our next point is point F. The distance A to F is your neck circumference divided by 4 plus 1 inch. Point G is located exactly midway between this side of our rectangle, so that makes it the line A to B divided by 2. Point H will help us draft our sleeve, and it's 3.5 inches away from this point, to which I should have given a name and I didn't, and I'm regretting it. So technically A to H is B to E plus 3.5 inches. Whoa, sorry guys, I'm really trying not to make it super complicated, but I hope you get it. H to I is 4 inches straight down at 90 degrees. And G to J is 2 inches straight horizontally. Connect all the points as shown, creating this nice smooth curve right here. We are done. One thing to remember is our pattern does not include any seam allowances. Here's an example of what I did with my top. So I usually use 1/2 inch everywhere except for the bottom. I usually go a little wider for the bottom, like I used 1.5 inches for my project. And then the pocket is 6.5 by 7 inches with seam allowances included. Have fun creating your own top, and I will see you in my next videos. Goodbye.